am actually going to just share a few lines from a song that really keeps me motivated and inspired. So, the song that really inspires me is No Weapon Formed Against Me by
Mm.
Fred Hammond. And a little bit of that is God will do what he said he will do. He will stand by his word. He will come through. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. It won't work. God will do what he said he will do. He's not a man that he should lie. He will come through. Oh, I won't be afraid of the arrows by day from the hand of my enemy. I will stand my ground with the Lord on my side, for the snares they have set will not succeed. So, when you go through challenges, sometimes, we make the challenges bigger than what they really are. When I listen to this song, I just am reminded about how great God is and
Mm.
how powerful he is. And the thing that I'm going through is really small.